Hi everyone, so we're here for the SAT question of the day for September 19th, 2011. Only 38% of students answered this math question correctly, so that definitely qualifies as a hard question. Alright, so let's go ahead and read it. If triangle ABC above is congruent to triangle DEF not shown, which of the following must be the length of one side of triangle DEF? Okay, well, first of all, let's start with the word congruent. Congruent basically means equal to. Or you could also just think of it as basically it's the same triangle. Two triangles are congruent, they are the same triangle. Not to be confused with similar triangles, which might not be the same triangle, but they have the same proportions. So another thing you notice here is that it's a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So you want to check your formulas at the beginning of each section for a list of some geometrical formulas. So let's add that tip here. So tip, check the beginning of each math section for a list of geometrical formulas. Now the 30, 60, 90 triangle is on this list. Okay, and when you check that list, what it's going to tell you is it's going to give you a bunch of ratios for a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So let's go ahead and draw a triangle here. Make it roughly a 30, 60, 90. Okay, so this is going to be a right angle here. Okay, this is going to be our 60 degrees and our 30 degrees. Let's go ahead and notate it here. So 60, 30, and 90. Now it'll tell you that the ratio is going to be x, right? 2x for the hypotenuse and x root 3 for that middle side. Also remember that the lengths of the sides are directly proportional to the measure of the angles opposite them. You know, so x root 3 is the middle side because it's opposite the middle angle, or x is the smallest side. It's kind of a wavy line there. X is the smallest side because it's opposite 30. Right? There we go. And then of course 2x is opposite the largest angle, so it's the largest side. All right. Anyway, so let's go back to the ratios here. X, 2x, x root 3. Well, we just so happen to know the hypotenuse already. 2x is equal to 12. Right? So if 2x is equal to 12, then of course x is equal to 6. Right? And if x is equal to 6, and we take that and we put it into the answer, we have 6 root 3. So the answer is D.